Hi guys, good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. It's 2 o'clock and I just decided to film because I think this is really interesting. I'm cooking lunch or brunch, whatever, snacks for me and my husband, and I don't know what to cook. I found some bacon and some leftover mushrooms. I started cooking the bacon with just water. We don't have to grease the pan since bacon is greasy anyways. And then I chopped up some leftover mushroom that I have at home. And we're going to go ahead and put some pepper. I didn't want to put any more salt because I know bacon is salty already. So let's go ahead and sprinkle it with some pepper. And let's also have some granulated garlic powder. Saute it for a little bit more, and then we're gonna wait until we put some more ingredients in there. I decided to put some onions and also some of the peppers that I have in the fridge, and let's see how it's gonna taste like. So it's looking good, and I think I'm gonna cut it in half, and I will use some of it or half of it for my omelet. Let's go scramble some eggs. We're gonna use 5 free-range eggs. Okay, then we're gonna scramble it. Okay, now we're ready to put our garlic, or sorry, our pepper and our onions. Set this on high. So I think it's looking good. You can do it at home too, to give you an idea that, oh, hey, yeah, I can use that for my omelet. And I think the onions is too big for the omelet, but that's fine. I'm going to add some olive oil, because I guess the oil from the bacon got disappeared when I cooked it with water. So it's looking good already. But I think I wanted to cook the onions a little bit more. So we're going to cover it for a second to cook the onions a little bit more. And then we'll cut it in half so we can put our scrambled egg there. So it's looking better, but I think I wanted to cook the onions a little bit more before we cut it in half, and then we'll put our scrambled eggs in there. So let's just cover it for a second, and then it should be ready for another 5 minutes or so. All right, it looks ready. So now we're gonna take part of it out. So we have something to eat with our omelet, and I think I'm gonna make some grits too. So I'm gonna take most of the onions out so it's not gonna be too big for our omelet. So I think that should be enough for our omelet. We have plenty here. Let's go get our eggs. Just pour it in there. So we wanted to cover most of the meat. Whoa, there's one more egg that's not scrambled. All right, right there. Okay. I want to shake it for a little bit. All right. Let's fold it in half to make a calzone looking omelet. I think it's looking good, guys. I didn't put cheese in it because I'm just trying to get better on. I'm going to flip it. Oops. That didn't really look good. So let's just cut it in quarters. So there's... Again, I'm just doing it at home. I'm not a professional cook, okay? Just pardon me. Alright. So, like, as I was saying, I didn't put cheese in it because of the fact that I'm just trying to get better with my sinus infection. Cheese actually is dairy, and it's actually not good for your sinuses. It will definitely irritate it. Okay, I think it's ready, so let's turn it off. Okay, and let's put them back on the plate where we put the others in. Looks like it's just a quick leftover, everything that you can have on the fridge omelet breakfast / brunch. So I think it looks so good. I'm gonna cook some grits. My husband is coming, and I think he's here.
Good boy. What's going on? You doing okay, boy?
I think he will have a feast on this omelet /
Looks good.
Yep, I know it. I was gonna make some grits, but I don't think I should.
Nah, you don't need to make grits.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid eating too much carbs.
Yeah.
So again, we're trying to be healthy. So this is our Saturday lunch, brunch.
Right.
But it's already 3 o'clock.
Yeah,
My
that's
husband
it.
kind of came home late. I'm glad I cooked something for him.
Me too.
I didn't get to do a lot of stuff today. I just
Goofing off, aren't you?
goofing off. Yep,
Okay.
he's right. So we're ready to eat. Let's have a taste test. See how it tastes, and let's see how he likes it. I think it's huge. Oh, go ahead. Get your...
No, you'll be alright.
No, go.
Go ahead and take your big taste test. Your big old, huge.
Hmm.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh.
See? Right, Scoopy?
I think it's good with dip ketchup.
I forgot to put the air conditioner down. Okay.
Mm. That bacon's not as salty, huh?
Not sorry at all.
No.
What have you sour?
I mean, no. I'll put some hot sauce in there.
Yeah.
Whatever it tastes, 'cause I didn't really put a lot of salt in there. So. Again, guys, thank you for watching our channel. If you have not subscribed or you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this kind of video if you do. And we'll see you on our next video. Bye.